Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoy it and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start by using primer. The Tarte Clean Slate primer is what I'm going to go in with first in all of our T-zone areas. Work a small amount of that into the skin. Alright. Next we'll use the GlamGlow Glowstarter in the color Nude Glow on the rest of the face, so the outer perimeters. Alright, so for foundation, I use the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the color Punjab M1. I'm going to be using that with a flat kabuki brush. Start out with 2 pumps. Dab that all over the face. Once that's fully blended out, we will next go in with concealer. And I use the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard, medium 1. Now we're gonna brighten, so under the eyes. A little bit on the forehead. Alright, I've got my dampened beauty blender. We're just gonna blend that. Okay, next we are going to set with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. My favorite setting powder of all time. And to set the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hello Flawless Color Pressed Foundation Powder in the color Champagne. Use that with a flat kabuki brush. And just press that. Okay, we are going to go in with eyebrows next. I'm using this brow powder from the makeup store in Premium Tri-Brow color Blonde. And we are just gonna quickly fill in these sparse parts of the brows. And I'm using the first color in here. Start with the tail end. go in with the lighter color on that end. Brush it out. And then go in with, this is the Benefit, I'm not sure the name rubbed off because I used it so much, but it's the brow gel, and this kind of just fills in and keeps the brows hairs up. Sometimes I'll just go in with this on days where I'm too lazy to do the actual fill-in. So, same thing on the other side. Okay, great. Now to add some light back into the face, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Dual sided brush, I'm going to be using the small side, doing just a little bit of contouring. Okay, I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose, just using a fluffy Real Techniques brush, doing a slight contour. Just go over with my beauty blender to diffuse any harsh lines that there may be. Okay, and I'm actually going to use that same bronzer and put that into my crease. That's kind of just usually my easy go-to for days I don't want to do a full eyeshadow look. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a more glow bronze. This is the Hourglass Ambient Radiant Bronze Light. It is just a kind of glittery bronze. It gives you a really nice glow to the face. Okay, next for blush, I use the the Benefit Galifornia blush. I love this. It's like a pretty coral shade. Okay, and for highlight, Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Highlighting brush. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and use this to do the highlight on my nose. And the inner corners. Okay, going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, and first curl my eyelashes with the Shiseido Eyelash Curler. This is a staple in my collection. I am obsessed with this eyelash curler. You guys see the difference? It just really opens up your eyes. Okay, mascara, L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Such a great dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara. That's what I always used to use, but love this stuff too. Okay, finally we are going to do lips. I'm going to line with Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and Pillow Talk, another staple product. I'm obsessed with this stuff. And for lip color, the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip in the color Slow Burn. Okay, and for just like a little lip topper, the Clarins Lip Oil in the color Honey Glam. Alright guys, here is my everyday makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and hit that red subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye!